Top 5 Best Car Dash Cam in 2024. Number 1. 70mm 4K Dash Cam. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 2. 70mm Dash Cam Pro Plus. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. The Dashcam 4K A810 is 70mm's newest upgrade of its flagship 4K model, with further improvements on image quality and remarkable expansions on smart functions. Number 3. 70mm Dashcam A810 UHD 4K Parking. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 4. DDPAI Dashcam Z50 Front and Rear 4K. The A810 delivers improved front 4K, thanks to Sony's latest Starvis 2 IMX678 CMOS sensor, which demonstrates sensitivity beyond the human eye as well as outstanding low noise characteristics. The 1/1.8-inch sensor doubles the low light performance. Front 4K HDR and rear 1080p HDR gives maximum coverage of the road, providing superior image clarity, enhanced color accuracy, and a significantly improved balance of exposure levels. F1.8 large aperture pulls in more light to ensure well-illuminated recordings in the dark. Exclusive 70mm Night Owl Vision improves night footage, achieving better clarity, exposure balance, color saturation, and light glare control. 60 fps high frame rate effectively prevents motion blur. Capture fleeting details on the road during high-speed driving. With advanced AI motion detection algorithm, the A810 is able to identify suspicious human activities around the parked car and activates recording automatically. Number 5. OBDPEAK T30 Car DVR Rearview Mirror Camera, Android 13 system, equipped with Unisoc 8541E processor, using advanced CPU and GPU architecture. The data operation/image processing capability is comprehensively improved, and the performance is improved by about 50%. The Dashcam not only runs smoothly, but also handles multiple applications without stress, support multiple functions and app download. The device pre-install the Google Play Store. You can download and install some app such as Music app, Video app, Map app, etc. Wireless Android Auto CarPlay. Connect your Android phone to the car's screen, and the screen immediately displays your Android app. It's that simple. You can tap the screen to get driving directions, send text messages, or even make phone calls hands-free. Mirror Link. Through Mirror Link functions, you can directly cast mobile phone videos, mobile phone pictures and mobile phone music to the driving recorder. For kinds of music play modes, native audio, FM audio, AUX audio, Bluetooth transmitter audio. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.